What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we have an update on Onyxcoin, which did pump up around 13-14% in the last 24 hours. It did hit the highest of the day was about 0.018, just below that, and it has taken a dip since. So what is next for Onyxcoin for the rest of July and essentially for the rest of the year? Where can we expect it to go? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Especially with the crypto market looking very bullish, especially Bitcoin trading around $118,000. Is it a bull run? Is it a bull run starting soon? And looking at mainly Onyxcoin. But before I go any further, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at the bottom, we have the RSI, which one of the lines is at 48.01, the other one is at 63.14, which is again pretty low compared to how much it has pumped, especially over the last few days, constantly hitting green candles. However, it's still got a lot of room for increases in value. And another reason is, yes, it did hit the highest of 0.018 cents earlier today, but has taken a dip since. So makes sense as to why it's not too high. And even though it is getting closer to the overvalued side, it's not there yet, so it's still got a lot more increases to come potentially over the weekend. So let's get rid of the RSI and bring on the Bollinger Band here. So looking at the Bollinger Band right now, the crypto is trading over the red line, which is the upper band, which means it is slightly on the overvalued side. So this contradicts what the previous indicator was mentioning, that it's not overvalued. And again, that is crypto. That is why we do analysis and use different indicators to, you know, figure out what we can expect. So at the moment, it is dipping, as you guys can see here. It is likely to drop a little bit further over the next couple of hours, early hours of tomorrow, before it slowly starts to go through an increase in value. So essentially we should see something like so, heading below the red line and then slowly starting to increase in value, heading closer up to the 2 cents value, potentially towards the end of next week. So late second half of July, we should see it head over the 2 cents value. And I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $120,000 by mid to end of next week, which means we should see an increase in value in the crypto market in general. Zooming into the MACD indicator here, so let's zoom in into the hourly chart. We can see well, it's looking quite volatile. We've got the MACD line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the baseline is looking bullish. So we've got both the lines going in opposite direction to each other, indicating an overall fluctuation in value. So do expect dips and peaks in between, meaning red and green candles, but the overall outcome over the next couple of hours seems to be more on the neutral side, hovering around 0.017 cents. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, over the next couple of hours, so days, so towards mid to end of next week, we are looking quite bullish. We do have the blue line and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, indicating an overall bullish movement for Onyxcoin over the next couple of days, over the next week or so, shall I say. Now, zooming out to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we do have the MACD line and the baseline looking quite, the signal line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They're not looking too steep either, meaning an increase in value is what is predicted. So heading into August, September, I am predicting it to head over 3 cents, potentially heading to 4 cents in value towards the end of Q3, beginning of Q4. So over the next few months, an overall increase in value is what my current predictions are at the moment. But if you guys do want regular if you guys do want regular updates on Onyxcoin, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But so far so good, not just for Onyxcoin but the crypto market in general. And in the last 24 hours, it has gone up 230% in trading volume, currently at $91 million, guys. Over the last week, it is up 20%, and over the month, 12%. Prior to this pump, we can see it has been quite volatile, up and down, but this pump has really increased its value on the 7-day and monthly chart as well. And for those of you intrigued on the yearly chart, it is over 1,000% up, because we did see a major increase here early on in January. So yeah, these are my predictions on Onyxcoin, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? A lot of people have been saying the dollar mark, however that is highly unlikely to take place in 2025 due to the fact of how much value and percentage it has to gain over the next 6 months is very, very unlikely. But yeah, comment down below your end of year prediction for this crypto, and on that note I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.